What's the meaning of cloudiness? Cloudiness. Cloudiness.
Cloudiness. Cloudiness. Cloudiness refers to the degree to which the sky is covered by clouds. It is often measured in terms of the fraction of the sky that is obscured by cloud cover, ranging from 0, clear sky, to 1, completely overcast. Cloudiness can affect weather and climate conditions, as well as visibility for aviation and ground transportation. High levels of cloudiness can lead to lower levels of solar radiation and cooler temperatures at the surface. Additionally, cloudiness can impact human moods and productivity, as prolonged periods of overcast weather can have a negative effect on mental health.